No, I don't think I ever really think that big of a, that big picture mind frame, and I never set goals of, oh, I want to win this many number of medals. I have goals for each event, and when I get up on the blocks for each event, I'm going to try to reach my goal in that event. So whatever the total is, whatever this or that, whatever you want to say about it, when it comes down to it, I'm just focused on my goals and what I want to do. I don't think you'll see much of that. I don't like to think about any of that. Again, it's just one event at a time, one race at a time. These meets just getting a lot of good experience and hopefully setting myself up for a good summer, but I don't like to think big picture like that.